Today I am going to explain the chapter The Desert of class 7th. The book name is An Alien Hand, CBSE board. Children, I am going to read line by line and you see it. A desert is generally without water and vegetation. A green patch with fresh water and green trees in the middle of a vast desert is a beautiful sight. A desert may be too hot or too cold. A desert is generally without water and vegetation. Children, perhaps people think in desert we cannot find water and vegetation. But sometimes we see in the middle of the desert green patch with fresh water which looks very beautiful. A desert may be too hot or too cold. Now let us see ahead. Those are us who live in regions covered with forests and surrounded by hills may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really like. Children, you know that we people are staying like a mountainous area, plains, deserts and other surroundings. But children, the person who are living in the plains or mountains area or hilly area, we can say, they find it difficult to imagine what about the desert. What is a desert? How can they know? They are amazing only. The popular belief is that it is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls and therefore no vegetation grows. Many people are believing this. What they are believing? In deserts we can find only sand. Everywhere we can find sand only. And there is no rain. Due to no rain, we cannot find growing vegetables or plants etc. in that desert area. It is dry, hot, waterless and without shelter. In desert, we can see that total area is dry. It is a very hot place, waterless, and people have no shelter there. But this is not entirely correct. What they are thinking is not good about the desert. It is not good. It is not correct. For those who have studied it, person who have read about this desert, the desert can be a beautiful place. According to them, deserts may be beautiful places. It is the home of a variety of people, animals and plants that have learned to live under very hot and dry conditions. Different kinds of people are staying there in the deserts. Animals also. Different kinds of plants we can find there, but they have adjusted there. In these hot and dry conditions. They have adjusted there. Thus, what happens at? True. The ground is not always hidden by a cover of grass, plants, and trees as it is in other climates. Children, what happens? There is a rainy season or winter season or other places we can see different kinds of grass, plants, and it is there. But here, no always grass on the ground here in the desert. Whenever it rains, which is rare, desert flowers bloom and the sight can be as rewarding as that of any tropical garden. But sometimes when it rains in the deserts, we can see desert flower are blooming better than any tropical gardens here. A desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. Children, see, desert is not always a flat, it is not flat. Wasteland. Wasteland means, you know, what is the meaning of wasteland here? Yes, wasteland is a land that cannot be cultivated. See, again, a land that cannot be cultivated. That is a wasteland. So we cannot say that we cannot change it. A desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sands. And it may have mountains and hills. We can see mountains and hills also there. It may have an oasis, big or small, oasis, spring. It may be small or big in the desert. An oasis is like a green island in the middle of a desert where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. See, children. An oasis is like green island in the middle of a desert where a spring or well gives plants, where you can see spring or well which gives trees and plants to survive, better chance to survive, to grow well. A desert may be hot like the Thar or cold like Ladakh. You know, Thar is very hot place and Ladakh also is very cold. So desert may be hot like Thar and cold like Ladakh. But generally speaking, like in what happens? But generally speaking, many people are saying, if a place has little or no water and vegetations, people usually call it a desert. Any place where we cannot find a little water or vegetables, people usually call it a desert. Some deserts are almost totally without water. In such places, strong wind blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. Children, maximum deserts. In deserts, maximum places we cannot find water. In such places, what happens? Strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand. They blow the sands and making a heaps of sands one place to one places of sands and depositing them as mounds. And deposit that sands on a place as a heap. This is called mounds. What is mounds? Of course, sun raises here. What is mounds? heaps of sand deposited by the strong wind at a place. That is a mounds. These are called sand dunes, and these mounds are called sand dunes that shift and move endlessly across the desert, which is shifting one place from the place in the desert area. Few plants can survive on such dry shifting sands, and few plants can survive on such dry and shifting sands. Thank you, children. This is your summary of the first part.